ఏపీ అసెంబ్లీ బడ్జెట్ సమావేశాలు ప్రారంభమయ్యాయి. తొలి రోజు ఉభయ సభలను ఉద్దేశించి గవర్నర్ జస్టిస్ అబ్దుల్ నజీర్ ప్రసంగించనున్నారు. అనంతరం సభ మరుసటి రోజుకు వాయిదా పడనుంది. ప్రస్తుతం లైవ్ ద్వారా చూద్దాం.
Legislative Council, Honorable Speaker, AP Legislative Assembly, and Honorable Members of the State Legislature. It is indeed an honor and privilege for me to address the esteemed joint session of this Legislative Assembly on this momentous occasion of the budget session 2025-26. The people of Andhra Pradesh have bestowed an unprecedented mandate to my government in the assembly elections, reflecting their trust and confidence in the leadership of Shri Narendra Chandrababu Naidu Garu, Honorable Chief Minister, Shri Pawan Kalyan Garu, Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, and the complete support of Shri Narendra Modi Garu and the coalition of NDA government. The overwhelming and historic majority bestowed upon this and the complete support of Shri Narendra Modi Garu, Honorable Prime Minister of India, and the coalition of NDA government. The overwhelming and historic majority bestowed an address to this House where I had spoken about the perilous situation we were in due to misappropriation on all fronts in the previous regime. I had highlighted the misgovernance that took place during the past 5 years, 2019 to 24, which had left behind the collapse. The people were informed, had highlighted the misgovernance that took place during the past 5 years, 2019 to 24, which had left behind the state on the brink of financial collapse. The people were informed about the true extent of damage done to the state by the previous regime through the 7 white papers. These white papers revealed the gross mismanagement of the state finances, diversion of state resources, erosion of state revenue by looting of natural resources, and flawed policies in excise and sand mining, discounting 25 years of future income by diverting the taxes of the government, exorbitant debt level and borrowing at high interest rate, borrowings in violation of Government of India guidelines, diversion of centrally sponsored scheme funds, collapse of irrigation sector by stalling all projects, destruction of energy sector, huge pending liabilities to the tune of 1.3 lakh crore. From the very first day in office, my government, under the visionary leadership of Honorable Chief Minister Shri Chandrababu Naidu Garu, has conceptualized Super 6 promises and has steadfastly begun working towards the welfare of the people and the revival of the state, reviving the past glory of brand Andhra. Within the first few days, we have taken decisive steps to fulfill our commitments and bring tangible improvements in people's lives, which include abolition of Land Titling Act, enhancing social security pensions to rupees 4,000, announcing of mega DSC for recruitment of 16,347 teachers, strengthening the education sector